In today's video, we will discuss how to go straight and take a right turn. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes. If you need to go straight and take a right turn, you must keep these points in mind. This signboard. This signboard. This signboard. This signboard. This dotted line. Do not touch this solid line. Turn on your right indicator. If traffic is coming from the left, you need to stop here and wait until it is safe to proceed. You must pay attention to the cars coming from the left. Wait for a safe gap in the traffic. Now wait for a safe gap and take the right turn. Here, students make some common mistakes. Some students stop the car after this line. This is a mistake. Some students stop the car too far from the right side. This is also a mistake. Some students touch this solid line. Some students touch this solid line. Some students touch this solid line. These are mistakes. Some students take the right turn, but they don't have proper control of the steering wheel. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these mistakes and make sure you correct them during your practice sessions. So, these are some of the common mistakes students make during the RTA road test. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.